about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same podcast, same old boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you, but in this down the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your head, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns, just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving back. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go too far when it's
Guys, I'm harvesting my fig. I found out that the fig are going bad. You can see a lot of dried fig on the ground, so I decided to harvest them. For the past 1 week, I've not been at home, so when I came back, I found out that the figs are going bad. So I said, let me harvest them all. You can see a lot of figs, guys. A lot. So I'm even trying to harvest the ones my hands can reach. So the other ones, when my husband comes back, he will harvest the remaining ones. I love fig. Fig is so healthy. Very good, guys. It's very delicious. You can make a lot of things with fig. You can make cake. You can make smoothies. Anything. Fig is very nice. You can even eat it the way it is. So I decided to harvest some. That is what I'm doing. It's going bad. I'm not happy about it. I didn't find out on time that it's ready to harvest. So now it's already going bad. See, this is what I got, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next harvest. If you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment section. You know, this is not my usual videos. So guys, keep watching. Thank you for watching. This is what I got. I will make some smoothies and cake with this one. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and share it. Thank you.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through.